So we're enjoying the afternoon tea. This is royal tea time. This is not free. This is not included. You do have to pay a little bit extra to come to the royal tea, but we're learning all about the traditions, why we do it. We all got to select our own tea from 6 different choices there. Came over, beautifully poured it all. I wasn't recording. I thought I was, so you didn't get to see the beautiful service that he did.
So, we'll start serving the sandwiches now.
I got the Salon Tea, but this is a very proper service, just like, it's not like the main dining room. It's actually a more proper service. There's, I don't know, about 30 of us, 40 of us in here, and that's it. We're in the Good Spirits Bar on deck 7, and the former chef with the royal family is the one that you're hearing in the background right now. Who's telling us some stories about the royals and the history of tea. Who knew there was a specific way to use your spoon so you don't spill it on you? Apparently there's a way. I'm not going to show you. You're going to have to come here to see. Now, I never do cream in my tea, but you're supposed to. So we have a little cucumber sandwich right here. And then we have, what, salmon and tomato? Salmon and tomato.
Hotel in London. And it was the time of the royal wedding. Prince Charles was getting married to Lady Diana Spencer. And my mother was a big fan of the royal family. And she
really
said,
good.
Darren, we on the mile
Salmon.
outside. And I thought we'd get arrested. And it was while I was waiting
Unbelievable.
there, I thought, how cool would it be to be
This
a
is
royal
so
chef?
good. This is not like, you know, your little cheap afternoon teas that you have in the main dining room. It's really good. So this royal tea is $30 plus gratuities. I tell you, so far it's worth it. This is really tasty. So we're starting with savory, then we're going to move to sweet. So we have our scones, and apparently it really doesn't matter which way you go. You go to clotted cream first, or you go to jam first. The Devon way is you put the cream down first. Cornwall way is you put the jam on first. So I did one of each. So this is jam first and clotted cream second. That's a really nice jam. Yum. Now does it taste different if I do the clotted cream first and the jam second? I tell you, you get a little bit more jam flavor in your mouth when you put the jam on top. Whichever way it works for you, you do you. Turns out there is no official way to do it, according to the former chef to the queen. So there, I'm going to take his word over yours. It's like we're having shrimp cocktail. They're so cute. Then we have a chocolate ganache cake and a sponge cake out here. And apparently the chocolate ganache cake was Queen Elizabeth's favorite. We've been hearing from Chef McCready the entire time. Some little stories that are cute. They're fun to hear. With the chocolate ganache cake. Oh, that is so rich. It's a very small piece. I don't even know if you can eat the whole piece. And the sponge cake has this lovely little sugar on top.
Chocolate.
Oh, that's chocolate. Oh, it's chocolate. I said sugar. And then the sponge cake. So this is done as 3 courses. You have the savory sandwiches, then the scones come out, and then they ended up with the pastry. So it's not like they just bring out this tower of things and you eat it. If you're a fan of afternoon tea and you've never done it, you would probably really enjoy this. Just hearing some of the stories were actually kind of fun. I thought it was going to be hokey, but some of the stories were actually pretty good. So they served this in the Sun Princess, in the Good Spirits Bar, which is right in front of Princess Live on deck 7 starboard. It's actually quite lovely, I have to say. It's a more formal setting, and it's definitely different than any other afternoon tea that we've done. I would definitely do this again. Everything was delicious. So from the Sun Princess, royal tea. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Have a good day. Cheerio and all of that. Off with his head.